Hi, my name is Iris, and this is my first demo for Review Board. So I've been working on writing a review bot plugin for PyDocStyle. PyDocStyle is a static analysis tool for checking compliance with Python docstring conventions. It's pretty simple to use and a very useful tool that analyzes your Python files and indicates errors where your code does not comply with docstring convention. So let's take a look over on Review Board. First, review bot tools can be configured in the integration section in the admin account. And here under Manage Integrations, I've added a new configuration called PyDocStyle. So for testing purposes, I have it run for requests in any repository and selected PyDocStyle under Tools. The maximum comment option is available for all the tools and defaults to 30 comments. And PyDocStyle has one option, which allows you to select which error you want to ignore. Here, D1 means that PyDocStyle will not show you any errors with codes prefixed with D1, which includes D10, D100, etc. And if this option is blank, then PyDocStyle defaults to using the PEP 257 doctrine convention for which errors to check. So here, after we filled in everything, we press save. And now onto a review request to see how the tool works. Just selected a request from the new review request, and as you can see from the diff, that this request contains Python files, so the tool will run. And I'm just going to publish it as is. So loading, and here you can see PyDocStyle is running. Give it a second. And voila, the tool works. Here you can see all the error codes that are shown. All the errors that are shown. It gives the error code with the comment. And also each comment is commented on the line where the error is. Here again, the error code, the error, and it opens an issue for each error. So you can see there's quite a few here. And these error codes, if you want to see the full list, you can go to PyDocStyle documentation and has all the errors there. And yep, that's it. Thank you for watching.